In all the courses I've taught, I always tell my students, my medical students, about the importance of having these tests. Well, there are different ones. Some people do other types of tests. But I must say, I was personally very pleasantly surprised by Cell-Wellbeing. Honestly, it provides me with a tremendous amount of information.
Absolutely. I mean, I often take samples from patients, and when I get the results, when I give them feedback, I tell them, for example, it shows that we need to focus on sleep, that we need to reinforce our emotions.
And then the patient begins to speak and says, oh, yes, oh, no, the thing is, I didn't tell you, but I have this problem. No, I don't sleep. And sometimes he looks at me as if to say, but you.
How do you know?
It's incredible the information you get and how you come to know the patient and how the patient, as you explain, says, oh, right, yes, because this happens to me. And the truth is that, and they get to know themselves as well. This information is provided to me by the work done with these few strands of hair and also the information that you yourselves send me. And the other thing that I also highly recommend is this. Why choose you? The truth is that every single doubt I've ever had, and there are moments when you start with the tests, and even though you've already performed many, there's always some small detail that presents itself with a certain doubt concerning the patient. I've always had you all as my support. You've answered all my WhatsApps, everything, even the silliest questions. I sometimes think, oh, should I ask this or not? But with all the experience you have, it's truly impressive how you are so generous in giving us information. So yes, I recommend it. And in fact, I highly recommend it to all my students. When I teach classes, I always refer to it. And I believe that there shouldn't be, I think, what's more, you see, there should be many clinical doctors who should have this. So the reality is that clinical doctors should be family physicians. They should have these studies to provide them with a lot of information. I believe that those of us in automolecular anti-aging medicine and aesthetics use this more than general practitioners. And I would much rather see nutritionists and general practitioners. I would strongly encourage them to adopt and use it